What up? We back. Another episode of Toxic Rides. Today I'm going to show you how to clean that stainless under your grill on the Cadillacs. We're going to walk out here and take a look at mine's. I got to flip this camera over so you can see. But here we go. Alright, we out here. And we're going to clean that up. This is the after effect, but I'm going to show you what it took for me to do it and show you some before pictures. But we finna get to it. Toxic Rides. Alright, so today we're gonna be cleaning up the stainless steel trim. Look at this. You can hear that. I started a little bit over here, and then I was like, oh wait, let me film it. So I'm gonna film it. Now I took off the bumper guard. And the reason why I did that is because I got some gold ones in the house. So I think you could do all of this without taking off the bumper guards if you just want to go ahead and tighten that up a little bit. But this car has been outside for over 3 years at the paint shop. So it's a lot of tightening up we got to do. So I'm going to show you guys how to clean this real quick. All right, the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and take off the license plate holder, and I'm taking this off because I think I'm gonna gold plate it. I'm not 100% sure, but with these old cars, you got to take them apart. We're gonna go ahead and knock this out. If y'all hear me breathing hard, that's because I'm old. This should be killing me. Go ahead and get this off real quick. All right, so we got that off. And we're gonna leave that one back here, but we're gonna go ahead and get all this stuff cleaned out. That's right. All right, so to get all of this off, what you wanna do first is go ahead and wash it clean. Make sure you get all that excess dirt and grime out of there. Like I said, if you can, you go ahead and take your bumper guards off, but that's not a must at all. So you can still hear and feel all the grime there. So I'm going to go ahead and get some water and rinse that down. And we're going to go ahead and wipe it down with a rag. Even wiping it down, you can hear, I don't know if that's overspray, what have you. All right. Now that that's a little bit dry, get some WD-40. Go ahead and soak it. Just soak the whole thing down with WD-40. And this is really going to help get that surface rust off. And I just soak it up real good, and we're going to let this sit for about 15 minutes. So let me go ahead and let this soak. Now we're going to take some steel wool. What is this? 40. And what you're going to do is, I dropped it. And what you're going to do is just start scrubbing it away. And that WD-40 is going to help cut a lot of that surface rust off. And it's good for wheels too. As long as you use the right steel wool, Don't use the 300 or the 2 because it's really going to put scratches in anything that you do. Let's start attacking those little rust spots. I don't know how good you guys can see this, but it's really, really getting that surface rust off. And this is not a rush process. You just go ahead and take the time. See, you can probably hear this, but it's definitely getting off all your surface rust. And that's what you want to do. And when you start hearing it, start getting away from the scratches, because as you rub this, you can hear the rust. And you just want to scrub it until you don't hear it no more, until it's kind of smooth. See that? So now after I feel comfortable with that, we're going to go ahead and take some more soap and water and wash it down and see if we need to hit it again. Let me sit this down. Soap and water. Let's go ahead and wash it down. I know there's going to be people in the comments say, oh, you shouldn't do it like that. You shouldn't do it like that. Make a video and show us the right way to do it. All right. So now let me go ahead and get the water hose and rinse this down. I'm going to show you a before and after. And that's just on this one small part right here. Let me go get the water hose. Let's go ahead and rinse it off. Trying to do this before the rain catches me. Trying to do a little bit every day that I'm off work. All right, and let's take a look at this right here. So hopefully you can see the difference. Just with steel wool, WD-40. That's it. That is it. See how good that came out? Now you feel it. You could feel how smooth it is. And do I have a rag somewhere? Let's see this. Wipe it down a little bit. Rag is kind of wet, but that is a big difference between how it started. See that? It's coming along. And I'm making those clean because look at that. Got that gold. So I'm still trying to decide on if I'm how much gold I'm gonna put on the car, because if you look at the color, you really don't need a lot of gold to set this car off. But since I do gold plate, what y'all think? Should I go with the chrome or should I put the gold on there? I think that gold kind of set it off, but let me know in the comments what I should do. Oh yeah, I think I am gonna go with the gold. Probably don't matter what y'all say. I think I'm gonna put that gold on there because just that little touch sets off the whole front end just a little bit different. And I don't want to put too much gold on the car, but I think I'm gonna put these gold ones on. So I might give y'all instructions on how to take these off and put the new ones on once I get to it, but I got a box full of trash. All right, so I let it dry a little bit and wiped it down, but Look at that. Big difference between the way it was. Very simple, very easy. Go ahead and take care of your car, fellas. Oh yeah, and I did have a request. Somebody wanted to see my setup on my car. It went through a whole bunch of different phases, but I guess I'll just pop the trunk just real quick, let y'all see what I got. All right. Got a little gold on there, and uh-oh, wrong key. There you go. That's all y'all gonna see for now.